Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Greetings to all the students from Universitas Terbuka all over Indonesia. Welcome to the last session of Cross-Cultural Understanding Classroom. In this session, you will study about social relations. The focus of this study is to understand about the formal and informal speech in social relationship and to understand about the culture from language in social relationship. That is why at the end of this session, you are expected to describe both of them and to make some differences from those previous sentences. I hope you are always paying attention to fill out your attendance list, follow the discussion forum, do all the assignments given, and don't forget to work the quizzes if available. Thank you very much. I hope you can meet again in another sessions. Good luck.